Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and opening the app you chose. Make sure iOS is up to date and you have your provider login and any ofpin or conf file on your device. If using a third-party app, install it now and grant required permissions. If using Settings VPN, tap Add VPN configuration and pick the protocol. If using an app, tap Import or Sign in. Once done, you'll be ready to enter server details and certificates to establish the connection. Next, you input the detailed settings that make the connection secure and reliable. In Settings or in the VPN app, type the server address, remote ID, and your credentials. Import any certificates or the ofpin file from Files. Make sure you choose the recommended protocol, UDP for speed, TCP for stability, or WireGuard for modern performance, and configure DNS and split tunneling if you need local access while routing other traffic through the VPN. Finally, you connect and validate that the VPN is working as intended. Tap Connect and look for the VPN icon in the status bar, then verify your new IP and DNS behavior using the app's diagnostics or a simple leak test. If the connection fails, restart the app or iPhone, re-enter credentials, and try a different protocol or port. Make sure background app refresh and permissions are enabled. One key troubleshooting tip. If DNS leaks persist, set custom DNS in the VPN profile or use the provider's recommended DNS to fix it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.